So here's where I'm at. Got the plow truck. Well, it seems to be ready to go anyhow. All the mess in the back's just wait for keeping the truck down while you're plowing, or better traction. So here's the driveway, here's the yard. Now this part really isn't that bad. It's just some trailers and trucks parked. Piece of metal I got to take apart and scrap. This little bit of metal that I just got to put in the rack. Even this isn't too bad. Fire pit's got stuff, but over here it's not too bad. One wheelbarrow to put away. But then we get it, and we haven't done the wood chip yet. No, we haven't. Then we get over into this spot. And it's a total fucking mess. No fault of anybody but mine. Although, believe it or not, I already started cleaning this up this morning. And there's a hole. That's where the plow come out of. And it's all big stuff that just rolls away or gets put away. This is a little bit of cluttered mess. It's got to go into steel racks and the proper containers. It's all stuff we save. Wheel this stuff away, put this stuff away, obviously. And then, then there's this side. And I'm not even worried about this yet for this storm. That stuff can stay. This mat, obviously, drag mat, I'll have to pick that up. So, I gotta go to an appointment. Go for an appointment at 10. And I'll be back working my balls off before the snowstorm. Because I'm a fucking messy fucking scrap man. Is what it is. So that's where Crazy Mike stands for today. Peace. Get along, if you can. Adios, amigos.